Welcome back to Michigan Outlaws, day 3 of riding the UP, and today we are doing what everybody wants, off-trail riding. Found a couple of spots when we were out trail riding the last couple of days.
All state land, very excited about it.
And we are definitely gonna go hit a couple of those spots, a couple ones that are close by, spend a couple hours out there just seeing how much trouble we can get in.
It'll be a nice, easy day. We're not gonna put on a whole lot of miles on the trails, but we're gonna be working hard getting these things unstuck because I guarantee we're gonna get stuck a couple times.
We're not gonna measure it in miles, we're gonna measure it in how many times we get stuck.
Measure it in smiles.
Oh, there we go.
Today, yeah, it's 33 degrees. This is dumb.
It's pretty warm, yeah.
Well, I should just say, come on, Michigan. I heard it's like 51 down in Grand Rapids, so.
Good grief.
Yeah.
After being so cold the last couple days.
Ridiculous.
Michigan,
whatever. We just got all these filled up with oil as we were running low yesterday. They're all filled up, ready to go. We got to splash a little bit of gas in them, and then we are out of here.
Oh yeah.
Going to find some awesome off-trail spots. We'll
so
go see
while
what
we
can
do
get.
that, hit the subscribe button, share this video to all your friends. Even though you haven't watched it yet, you're gonna know it's good. So just share it right now. They're gonna love it. They're gonna watch it the same time you do. Stay tuned.
Got the big dump truck right behind us.
Oh yeah.
This place is awesome.
Don't talk about my butt that way.
Oh.
This is always a sweet spot to come. Just check it out whenever we're here.
Yeah, some crazy looking buildings over there.
Yeah, those are always cool when you see them coming into town. They really stand out. But this dump truck really stands out too. It's pretty sweet.
That's for sure.
All right, we're gonna keep going. We just topped off with gas. We're gonna go try and find some more off-trail spots.
Yeah, we just did a quick ride over to Ishpeming to get some gas. Now we're gonna go back, get those off-trail spots. Let's hit it.
All right, we got an epic trail right there, and the groomers go through right now. It's gonna be even more epic. Hello, sir. Thank you kindly. Classic.
Classic. Problems with
Oh.
the Freeride. Backcountry bros.
Hey. So right now Caleb just doesn't have the top end power anymore. We're not quite sure what it is, but it doesn't sound right. And it kind of just sounds like it's farting all the time. But
I guess that's one way to describe it.
but yeah, it's just not getting to the top RPMs that it needs to be at.
But it sounds fine low RPM.
Yeah, it's not spooling up.
It's just like getting there and then.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that would be though.
I don't either.
It almost sounds like a lack of fuel.
Either that or she's
But it's
going
fine
out.
at low. I mean, I guess the injector if you're.
Yeah, it could be a tired top end, which would suck.
Cool, cool.
Luckily, we're not too far from town.
I just don't understand why I can never go off trail. It pisses me off. Every time. I knew this was gonna happen too. I don't know what that's all about.
Oh boy, more problems?
His exhaust gasket's leaking.
That's fun.
Looks like that's been smacking your clutch cover.
Yeah. Rattles a little bit.
Well, while we're here, I'm gonna climb that wall. Headshot.
Chris is the old snowmobile sniper over here. He got him right as he was doing his side hill and got him in his face when he was trying to carve. Oh, you missed him. Jake is not a sniper.
Sorry, I was aiming for you.
Well, you almost got it.
It's like up to the knees over here off trail. Pretty good snow. How'd it feel?
That was fun.
Looked fun.
That was the first time I've done something cool like that. But we actually got it on camera too.
Oh yeah. And then there's that guy.
Well, Chris and I made it to the road, nearest road.
I don't even know what road this is.
I don't either, I'll have to look. I sent Jake my current location, so he'll be able to find us. And they're gonna go back, get the truck and trailer, because that is not doing too good. I don't know what it could be. Maybe I'm overreacting. It doesn't sound very good, but I'm not gonna risk it. So we're gonna throw it in the trailer and go from there.
Definitely doesn't sound good.
No.
Doesn't sound normal.
I'm gonna do a compression check on it when I get home and see if that's it or if there's an ignition issue or something. Hopefully ignition issue. That'd be a lot easier, but I'm not gonna risk going back to the hotel and having it blow up or something, because that's going to cost a lot more than an easier fix right now. So
on the bright side, it's not freezing out.
Yeah.
While we're sitting out here.
Very
and
true.
I don't think we're going to be sitting out here for like 5 hours like Cam and I did in Wisconsin at the casino.
We'll probably only be out here for 45 minutes to an hour, because they're not far at all from the hotel. So yeah, so we're gonna.
One thing left to do.
That was so much harder than any time Jake has ever tried that. That was so solid.
Dude, well, look at it. I put my foot in, it just sinks, and then
he was like, ugh.
That was so much harder.
He didn't even go anywhere. He just made a divot. Oh, jeez.
That's unfortunate.
All right, we're gonna hang out here for a bit. Why is it that all of our trips end like this every time? It's unbelievable.
We just got by brand new.
Good idea. Maybe we'll think about that. We can afford it, right?
Something like that.
Well, we just made it back to the hotel. Now I gotta grab my truck keys, hook up the trailer, and then get back to Negaunee so we can pick up the broken sled. And then we gotta drive all the way back here, pick up our sleds, get back on the trail, head back to where we just were, maybe even a new spot. We're gonna have a lot of miles on Trail 8 this weekend.
Yes, sir.
Well, Jake just texted me and said they got back to the hotel, so they should be here pretty quick. It didn't take them long at all to get there. We weren't very far away, but I would imagine within the next 15 minutes or so. So that'd be good. Definitely a lot shorter time than when Chris and Cam were at the casino in Wisconsin. By like 2 hours.
3
So
hours.
yeah, it was a long wait for them, but yeah, so we'll update you when the truck gets here, and we'll go from there. Well, Chris and I are still sitting here waiting for him, and all of a sudden, look, the groomer showed up.
Good. We passed him, and
we passed him again.
us.
Look at a little.
Convenient.
Yeah. Now other people have groomed trails to ride that we won't. Be a fun job.
I wouldn't mind that.
Definitely.
Get on there.
Oh my goodness, look, groomer to the boys.
How convenient.
All right, let's get these things loaded up.
Believe it or not, this is actually the second time that we've had my truck with this trailer picking up Caleb's sled and Chris's sled.
I don't want to hear it.
This is the second time.
Unbelievable.
Oh, well, let's get these things loaded up and...
Go cry a lot.
No, I was going to say get back on the trails.
Hot tub. Tubby tub. Rubber duckies in the tubby tub. Don't add that, Cam.
This man's had too much.
How many beers did you guys drink while you sat here?
Enough.
Enough.
I don't recall that, but
Well, you must have really been sloshed.
I hate this loading into this trailer. It's sketchy.
Nice and easy.
It's kind of sketch.
I can even do it without falling off.
seems like a shame putting them away on a full tank.
Thing looks good. He's riding a Skidoo with a Team Articat jacket. That's blasphemy.
I ride a Skidoo with Articat boots
that's illegal.
Don't say that. We can't show
I ride
that.
a skidoo with boots.
There we go.
I ride.
Sexy.
It's not slippery.
I thought for sure this ramp was going down. Get out of there!
Yay.
Yeehaw!
Dirty water. Almost dripped on me again.
Just keep.
I got dirty water on my pants.
Look at all that nastiness.
So gross. The roads were disgusting on the way here.
All right.
Well, that's it.